Hi guys, welcome back to another video. And today's video will be different. Today, I will be buying 2 new cars in Midnight Chasers. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload. Anyways, let's go buy the new cars. The cars we are going to buy a new truck and Mazda. I'm excited to see the new cars. Okay, the Mazda is pretty cool. I like the gold wrap. Okay, let's check the sound. Okay, sounds pretty decent. Now let's buy the truck. Okay, looks pretty decent. I don't really like the color on this truck. Okay, now let's listen to it. Now let's upgrade them. Okay, let's change the color of this. Black looks good on this truck, but gray looks better. Wow, I like this. Now let's change the rims to black. And I'm going to change the seats to red. Sold. I go with the chrome wrap or this wrap. I like this wrap more. Now let's change the hood. So far I like the 7 hood. We are going to go with the 7th hood. Now we are going to change the suspension. Now let's add the large nitro. Now let's add some underglow. And this is the final. Now let's upgrade the Mazda now. We are going to keep this wrap, so we are going straight to rim color. But this time I'm going to put the rims white. Now I'm going to change the interior to black. And adding a new wrap glossy paint. Sorry guys, if it's not moving, my screen is frozen, but I will promise I will get better YouTube equipment. Now we are going to change the hood of this Mazda. I like this third hood. Now let's change the suspension. Now let's add nitro fire. Now let's add underglow to this car too. Okay, this is the final. Okay guys, that's the end of the video. See you next time, bye.
Falling, dreaming, talking in your sleep. I know you.